You want me to talk now? Is that what you want me? To make these caramel German chocolate brownies, you'll need a German chocolate cake mix.
When did you switch to the German chocolate cake?
Always. Want me to tell you what I do on this, or do you want to tell me what I'm supposed to do?
Okay, keep going.
Evaporated milk, cup and a half, or 3/4 a cup of butter. That's a stick and a half. I've started to use premium white chocolate morsels and milk chocolate morsels. And 16 ounces of caramels. Kraft caramels or something. Put the 3/4 a cup of butter in a bowl. 1/3 cup evaporated milk. And the German chocolate cake mix. I've tried a regular chocolate cake mix at one time. German chocolate is the best. You want it softened. The butter's softened.
But don't melt it.
You can melt it if you want. I soften it in the microwave usually. You'll need to turn your oven on at 350 while you're doing this. 350 degrees. 13.5 by 9-inch pan. Cooking spray. You want to get half of the mixture. Put it in the pan. Spread it evenly on the bottom. About a 1/4 inch thick or something like that. So once you evenly spread it out on the bottom of the pan, then put it in the 350 degree oven for 7 minutes. In the meantime, I put the rest of the batter in the refrigerator to help solidify it a little bit. Get your 16 ounces of caramels unwrapped, or you can use the block of caramel and get 16 ounces. And put another 1/3 cup evaporated milk in it. Microwave it till it completely softens and is liquid. I microwave the caramels for 2 minutes. Just incorporate the evaporated milk. Usually have to put it in the microwave for another minute to make sure it's all softened. Microwave the caramels for 30 seconds more. Looks like that's enough. So the batter that is cooked, take it out of the oven. And the next thing you want to do is get the caramel and just spread it evenly. And do a layer in the caramel. Once you get that layer on, then get the white chocolate chips and put a layer of that. And then get the other half of your batter out of the refrigerator. Get it and just make little patties as thin as you can, just around the pan. Just fill in the best you can, rolling it around. The oven at 350 again. This time for 20 minutes. And that's how you do it. We'll show you the results in a minute, I guess. So get it out and let it cool. Would you?